Hi there. Today, we're going to make delicious gingerbread cookies. These cookies are perfect for the holiday season, and they're easy to make. So, let's get started.
Hi, I'm Flour. Without me, there are no cookies. Simple as that.
Hey, I'm baking soda. I help things rise. Literally, I'm a big deal.
I'm Ginger. Got that zingy warm kick that makes gingerbread, well, gingerbread.
And I'm Cinnamon, the cozy one. You can't have gingerbread without me.
Cloves here. I'm the secret ingredient. Not too much, but just enough to make them awesome.
Butter's in the house. I'm creamy, I'm dreamy, and I make everything rich and delicious.
Hey, I'm brown sugar. I bring the sweetness, and I'm totally low-key about it.
I'm the egg. I bring everyone together. Literally, I'm the glue of this whole operation.
Molasses here. I'm bold, dark, and full of flavor. Just what these cookies need.
Vanilla's the name. Sweetness is my game. I make things smell so good.
First, we're going to mix our dry ingredients. In a bowl, combine the flour, baking soda, ginger, cinnamon, cloves, and salt. Make sure to sift them together to avoid any lumps.
All right, team, let's do this. Sift me in and let's get this dough rolling.
Ready for action. I'll add that perfect ginger punch.
In a large mixing bowl, beat the butter and brown sugar together until light and fluffy.
Time to get fluffy. Let's cream me and brown sugar until we're smooth and dreamy.
That's right, Butter. We'll make this dough soft and sweet. Who can resist that?
Now, add the egg, molasses, and vanilla extract. Mix everything until it's fully combined.
Now it's my turn. Let's mix things up and make sure everything sticks together.
Ready to bring the gingerbread flavor.
And I'll just add a little sweetness, a little love. You know, the usual.
Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture. Mix until the dough starts to come together.
All right, team, let's do this. Sift me in and let's get this dough rolling.
Once your dough has come together, it's time to chill it and place it in the fridge for at least 1 hour.
All right, time to chill, literally. We need to rest so we're easy to roll.
Yep, let's relax a bit. No rush.
After the dough has chilled, roll it out onto a lightly floured surface.
Hey, don't forget me. A little dusting on the surface, please.
You want to roll it to about 1/8 inch thick. Now, it's time to cut out your gingerbread shapes. You can use any shape you like, stars, trees, or even circles. After cutting, place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Bake your cookies for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are slightly golden. If you'd like to decorate your cookies, now's the fun part. You can use royal icing, candy decorations, or even a little powdered sugar. Get creative.
I love how these cookies look, don't you? So golden and delicious.
And there you have it, perfectly spiced, crispy gingerbread cookies. These are sure to be a hit at your holiday gatherings. Enjoy, and happy baking!